Hey everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about self-talk, how very important it is, and how we overlook this integral part of our lives. I will also talk about mirror therapy, how it can help you feel, think, and speak better about yourself. Self-talk is to do with how you speak about yourself, to yourself, and with yourself. It is the example that you give the world, your loved ones, your friends, your acquaintances, of how you should be spoken to and how you should be treated. So, if you feel that life is unfair and that you're not respected, then please take the time to assess how you speak to and about yourself. I often hear people speak ill about themselves. I hear them saying things like, I'm stupid, I'm not smart enough, I'm an idiot, I'm unlucky, I never win, or I never get what I want in life. Life is just so unfair. I'm not beautiful, I'm not pretty enough, I'm too fat, I hate my body, my butt is too big. Things like this. Often, people will get angry with themselves for making a mistake, which they in turn verbally abuse themselves for, saying horrible things about themselves, and generally just berating themselves. Many of the bad things we call ourselves and the unsavory way we speak about ourselves are simply learned habits from childhood. Somewhere along the line, somebody told us at some point that we were stupid when we messed up, or ignorantly called us an idiot for no valid or apparent reason, other than that they were intellectually stunted, for better words. And they were possibly more than likely themselves victims of the same kind of verbal abuse. It's a vicious cycle of genetic patterns and behaviors. Whenever I hear people talking ill about themselves, despite not really wanting to, I find myself correcting them. I contradict what they have just said, and I tell them that they are not stupid or idiots, and that they are in fact brilliant and intelligent people who are in the process of discovering their true genius. I often make mistakes that are truly ridiculous in nature. I just shake my head and laugh at myself. Sometimes I'll say, you, my friend, are an absolute cake, but I love you anyway. You see, the truth is that every word and thought we have or speak is heard by our bodies, our minds, our intelligence, our soul. It's all listening, and it responds accordingly. With our words, thoughts, and feelings, we create vibrations that are often referred to as vibes. And these vibrations are the signals that we project into the universe. And it is these signals that determine what we get out of life. So, in layman's terms, if you don't like yourself, you are going to be hard done by to find somebody who does. You are the person that you're going to be with for the rest of your life, come good or bad. So maybe it's time to become best friends with yourself by being nice to you. Speak well of yourself. Speak kindly to yourself. Think highly of yourself. And most of all, believe in yourself. Here are 2 points on your head that relate to self-esteem issues that you can use to help you work through any old beliefs about yourself that just no longer serve you. And by using these points, you will get it done a lot faster. Simply touch on both sides of the head with the fingers of both your hands. If there is pain there, simply massage the area with circular movements and acknowledge that there is negative thinking stored there and choose to release it. Do this as often as needed, and soon enough your thoughts will become more positive. Now here are 2 points on your legs that relate to the subconscious fears of owning and moving into your personal power. Because in doing all of this, that is exactly what you are doing, is you are taking control of your personal power. To work on these points, you want to apply some pressure on both legs and rub over either with your fingers or your thumbs towards your feet. Keep rubbing and massaging downwards towards your feet until the pain has gone. And then, with your hand, just pull that pained energy out of your body, through your feet, and just throw it away from your body. Mirror therapy is a practice that helps build self-esteem, confidence, self-love, self-appreciation, and an improved relationship with yourself. This is a relatively simple practice that requires only you, a mirror, and repetition. What you want to do is stand in front of a mirror, preferably one that reflects you entirely. If you are working on physical aspects of your body that you just don't like, then it is best to do this practice naked. You're going to take a really good look at yourself. Look at your perceived flaws, your perceived weaknesses, your perceived unlikableness. And you are going to find one thing that you do like about yourself. And you're going to take a moment and you're going to appreciate that particular aspect of yourself for a while. Genuinely appreciate it, like it, love it. Now look at the whole of your reflected self again and say out loud, I love you. I love you. I love you. Look back at the one aspect you were focused on earlier and keep your focus there again for a few moments. Now look at your entire self again and smile at yourself and say out loud, I love you. I accept you. You are worthy of great things. You deserve to have whatever you want from life. You deserve to be happy. You are enough. When you practice this every day for a while, you will notice that your viewpoint of yourself has shifted somewhat. You can look at yourself with more kindness and more love and more respect. Practice this every chance you get, even if it's just in passing of a mirror or a glimpse of your reflection in a window. Smile at yourself, blow yourself a kiss, tell your reflection it's gorgeous. Be bold, love yourself, and have a great day.